Okay, so this first part tells you that, so this is the must be given. So we got, we'll learn about that in the next chapter. So we got great thanks must be given to the immortal gods and also to that Jupiter Stator himself. Jupiter Stator himself. Oh, here's the thanks now all the way down here. Okay, then we got the most ancient guardian of this city. So if you look at your book on page 77, you see this big metal, Jupiter Stator. There's a big temple in the Forum, in the Roman Forum to Jupiter Stator. So he was like the common person, not common. He was the person who stood steadfast or still in the face of great adversity. Okay, so why would Cicero be praying to Jupiter Stator? Okay, he's gonna, and he has brought him out of turmoil and mess before, and Cicero hopes that he can count on his guidance again. It says, according to legend, Romulus vowed a temple to Jupiter if he prevented the Roman army from being routed in a battle against the Sabines. Y'all know about the Sabines? They went and took all their women, right? So that they could, keep their race going on, their human race going on. So the description Antiquissimo is appropriate. The spot was consecrated, but the temple was not built until the early 3rd century BC. So not in Cicero's time was the thing built. But anyway, it goes on and on. Under the coin, you see that that's actually like a throwback. Napoleon was throwing back to Jupiter Stator. God bless Napoleon.
Napoleon made the coin.
Yep, Napoleon made the coin. I'm just surprised it didn't have Napoleon's face on it, because usually he puts his own. Doesn't he usually put his own face on stuff? Yeah. Napoleon? Which Napoleon? How many? The first Napoleon. Not Napoleon Dynamite.
Like Dynamite?
Oh my word. Okay. So we got, look at this next part. We got Tom. What is that called? Anaphora. Okay, so then we're going to look for ways that it's parallel, right? So we got an accusative here. 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 I'm taking a wild guess and saying this is genitive. Okay. I know. Sometimes I just get crazy. Okay. So I'm guessing I always have trouble sometimes telling whether you translate that quad as which or because. Do you have that problem sometimes too?
Yeah.
So sometimes you just have to do it both ways and see which one is better. I'm thinking that this one is because. Okay, so we got because so often now Effugimus. What does effugimus mean?
We
We escape this so
this so foul.
so horrible,
Wait, what's the purpose of that comment?
to mark off the so's. This so foul, so horrible, and so hostile plague of the Republic. Okay, so then, I'm going to ask you, what is the effect of that anaphora?
It's an emphasis on
How bad? What is the plague? What's the plague? Yeah, the governmental corruption caused by Catiline. Okay, let's look on our activity 59C. Let's count some of these off real fast here. Okay, dis immortalibus. Is that dative or ablative? Dative. What do you think the function is? Indirect object, so that would be F. That's the only one we can do so far. We're about to do another one. Okay, so we got non-S, that's our verb, right? Okay, so that means summa and solus are our nominatives, right?
yeah.
Okay, and then, so that also means that periclitanda goes over here with this non-est.
Oh, periclitanda S.
Uh-huh.
Wait, so you said summa salus was the subject?
I said summa solus was our subject, and then rei publicae tells us that it's genitive. Okay, so we got the ultimate safety of the Republic must not be risked. Okay, and so since this is IUS, I know it's more often, not just Scipe, but Scipius more often, in one man. With that man being Catiline. Periclitanda est means must not be risked.
What kind of form is that?
Hang on to that question till the next chapter.
Of course.
The suspense. Do y'all want to pull over there? Okay.